Hi everyone and welcome back to today's morning report on Tuesday the 2nd of Feb with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Antec Markets. Let's look at dollar yen now. We're starting to see the safe haven trading creeping back in, aren't we? The retracement of this uptrend, the retracement of this sharp move higher that we saw yesterday, on Friday from the BOJ decision. Now yesterday's candle, if I zoom in, was entirely outside the Bollinger Bands. That suggests extreme trading and something that which could well start to retrace, and it is indeed exactly what we seem to be seeing now. We seem to be having a bit of a retracement back in, so you'd start to think about the next support levels. Initially you come in around the 120 figure mark, which was old lows there. Also 119.82, which is the 50% fib level of this big sell-off that we saw. So, also just seen a crossover. I mean, in sort of with the decline that we're seeing today, we're seeing a crossover of the stochastics as well. Not a confirmed sell signal yet, but certainly that suggests that we're beginning to see the end. Well, certainly the end of this run higher for now. We might see a consolidation, but that is a concern for the bulls out there. Hourly chart, we're seeing this rolling over, aren't we? Lower highs forming now. 121.68, 21.47, 121.20, sorry, 15, and just general trend of lower highs forming now. You're sort of beginning to break through the supports that we had in place. The support initially around 120.60 area seems to have been, well, was broken. And that could now become a base of resistance. Again, another lower high if we see it below that 121.15 area. I think that would suggest that we're starting to see a retracement. 120 figure, as I said, seemed to be a bit of a sort of turning point, didn't it, on the hourly candles here? But it certainly was the old support that we saw through late December as well. So it is a possible turning point or consolidation area, but certainly if you see 120 broken, then you're back at sort of 119 area, which is these sort of breakout highs, support of these breakout highs here. So the correction continues. If you see the hourly RSI going below 30, I think that would also be a signal of continued correction. So it's the signals are racking up now to the downside. Nothing too decisive yet, but it certainly seems as though that this run higher that we saw on Friday, just engaging in a little bit of retracement, and it'll be interesting to see how far it goes. But the signals are beginning, or the corrective signals are beginning to mount. So I wish you good luck in your trading on dollar yen today, and I'll speak to you later. Thank you.